Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Viktoria Creates English Version. In this video I will show you how to sew a mini pouch. Cut 2 pieces of main fabric and 2 pieces of lining fabric, each 7 by 7 inches. Cut 2 small zipper tabs, each 1.5 by 2 inches. You will need one zipper that is 6 inches long. If you don't have this size, don't worry, I will show you later in this video how to modify it. Place the tab with the wrong side facing you, fold it in half and press it. Unfold it, then fold each half again towards the center, join the edges together and press again. Repeat the same process of the second tab. I'm shortening my 9-inch zipper to 6 inches. Unzip it, stitch before the metal stops to secure it. Then trim the excess tape. Insert the tab at the zipper's end and sew it, securing the seam with forward and backward stitches. Repeat the same on another side. Place the main fabric right side up, lay the zipper face down on top, centering it so that 3/8 inches on both ends remain zipper free. Then place the lining fabric face down on top of the zipper. If your fabric is thick, I highly recommend using clips. Now stitch everything. When you reach the zipper pull, stop sewing, keep the needle inside the fabric, lift the zipper foot and open the zipper. Then lower the zipper foot and continue sewing. Secure the stitch at the beginning and the end. Trim off the excess fabric from the tabs. Flip the piece so that the side you just stitched is facing up. Close the zipper. Stitch along the edge of the zipper, securing the seam with back stitches at the beginning and end. As you can see, I'm using a Teflon foot for faux leather. If you are using a different fabric like cotton, canvas, satin or denim, use a regular foot. Place the second piece of the main fabric facing you. On top of it, place the side you just sewed with the right side facing the main fabric. Place the second lining piece with the wrong side facing you. Secure all pieces with clips. Stitch it together. When you reach the zipper pull, repeat the same steps from the first part of the pouch. Trim off the excess fabric from the tabs. Flip the fabric so the right side is facing you. Close the zipper. Stitch along the edge of the zipper. Secure the seam with back stitches at the beginning and end. Place the main fabric of the future pouch facing you. Slightly unzip the zipper. Fold the main fabric with the right sides facing each other. Fold the lining fabric with the right sides facing each other. At the zipper area, fold the zipper towards the lining at both ends. Secure all 4 sides with clips. Leave 4 inches open in the middle of the lining. You will use this opening to turn the pouch right side out after sewing. Sew along all sides. Remember, leave 4 inches of the lining unstitched. Trim off excess fabric at the zipper area, all corners, and make a lot snips along the bottom of the main fabric. Using the open space in the lining, turn the pouch to the right side. Fold the seam inward at the open space of the lining and sew them together. I have chosen a decorative stitch, so I'm stitching the entire button. If you use a straight stitch, you can sew only the open section. Or use another decorative stitch, whatever you prefer. Push the lining inside. Your beautiful pouch is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. See you soon!